Want to supercharge your Aisensy templates and create content that truly grabs attention? Let's dive into how to seamlessly combine text with video. First, navigate to the template section within your Aisensy account. This is where the magic happens. Click on Create Template to start a new project. You can either build from scratch or modify an existing template, totally up to you. Now, let's add our video. Look for the media upload option. Aisensy supports various video formats, so choose the one that fits best. Drag and drop your video or select it from your computer. Next, it's text time. Click on the text tool to add a text box. Type in your message, and then use the editing options to change the font, size, and color to match your brand. Timing is everything. Use the timeline feature to control when your text appears and disappears. Drag the text box on the timeline to sync it with key moments in your video. This keeps your message engaging and prevents it from being distracting. Let's make that text pop. Add some animation. Aisensy offers different animation options like fade in or slide in. Choose an effect that complements your video style. Preview your creation. Make sure the text is easy to read, the timing is perfect, and the overall look is captivating. Adjust as needed until you're completely satisfied. Finally, hit save or publish to make your masterpiece live. Now you are ready to use your beautiful text and video template. That's all there is to it. By combining text and video effectively, you can create content that resonates with your audience and drives results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Aisensy tips and tricks.